Is it possible to outgrow noise without becoming cold? Yes, absolutely. Let's talk. Because there's a stage in life nobody really prepares you for. The moment when you start changing and people say, "You're not as soft as you used to be," and you're thinking, "I'm still soft. I just don't bleed in public anymore." Guess what? That's not coldness, that's growth. You see, when we're younger, we explained everything. Our choices, our boundaries, our feelings. We gave footnotes, sometimes what seemed like PowerPoint presentations, and even voice notes that should have been emails. But guess what? Now you say, "I can't make it," and you mean it. And that's Achalugo behavior. Because here's the thing. Outgrowing noise doesn't mean losing your heart. It just means you stopped handing it to everybody. In Igbo wisdom, when something is valuable, it's not displayed carelessly. You don't leave kola nut on the roadside. You don't shout your plant in the market. You cover it. You protect it. You move with sense. And that's what you're doing. You didn't become proud. You became precise. You still love deeply. You just choose wisely now. You still show up. You just don't overextend. And yes, some people will miss the version of you that was always available, always explaining, always adjusting. But that version was tired. This version that you are now is rested. You see, the Achalugo era is realizing that silence can be kindness, that no is not an attack, that protecting your peace is not wickedness. And let's be honest, if your growth makes someone uncomfortable, it's usually because they benefited from the old access you gave them. So no, you're not cold, you're just calm. You're not distant, you're discerned. You didn't lose your warmth, you just stopped overcooking it. And that, my friend, is wisdom. So if you've been feeling like, "Why don't I move the way I used to?" Take a chill pill, smile, give yourself a pat on the back. You're not shrinking. You're settling into yourself. You're coming home to yourself. And from me, it's welcome once again to your Achalugo era, where grace is quiet, boundaries are loving, and peace is non-negotiable. Cheers.